Steak, but bite-sized, juicy, crispy, dippable. Forget chicken nuggets. Today we're making steak nuggets. If you love steak and finger food, this is your perfect match. We're gonna turn this into this. Let's get cooking. First up, the star of the show, the steak. You want something tender, but still affordable. I'm using sirloin, but you can go with ribeye if you want to ball out, or even flank steak if you slice it right.
Trim off any extra fat or silver skin, and we're looking for bite-sized chunks that are all killer, no filler.
Roughly 1-inch cubes. You want that perfect bite, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Like steak popcorn, but better. Now here's where we flavor it up. You could just salt and fry, but let's make it unforgettable. This marinade boosts umami and locks in moisture. And yeah, it smells incredible already. Cover it up, toss it around, and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. If you've got time, overnight is even better.
This not only tenderizes the meat, but also adds that Southern-style flavor that makes these nuggets absolutely pop.
It's time to coat. We're mixing flour and cornstarch here. Cornstarch makes things extra crispy. Make sure every piece is coated evenly. Don't be shy, get in there. Heat your oil to about 350 degrees. Drop your nuggets in gently, don't overcrowd the pan. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they're golden brown and glorious. While they're still hot, hit them with a final sprinkle of salt or your secret blend of spices. Me, I like a little cayenne kick. Look at that crust. Hear this crunch. Oh yeah, that's steak. That's crispy. That's next level.
Want to level it up? Try these variations. Korean style, marinate with soy, ginger, garlic. Serve with gochujang dip. Tex-Mex, add cumin and chili powder.
What makes steak nuggets so good that crispy outside? Total Crunch City. But inside, you've got tender, juicy steak.
All right, now I want to know, what would you dip your steak nuggets in? Drop it in the comments below. If you loved this recipe, smash that like button, hit subscribe. I've got tons more flavor-packed recipes coming your way.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.